So I'm working with the pigeons for healing and protection rituals for my friends. And as you see, they're flying over to the cop shop and they're doing what they're supposed to do for protection. Thank you for all the entities and guardians that I work with for everyone's help. Hi guys. This is also called bird Audrey. It's a mixture. Working with natural spirits, natural elements, obviously the birds. And there's Cordelia flying across over there to top the ritual off. Thank you, Cordelia. I love you. Bye, baby girl. She is a big omen in the spiritual world. Crows are. Crows are very powerful. And she is like legitly my wild pet crow. She makes the rituals or whatever stuff I do more potent because she's from the natural world. She's a natural element, just like the birds are. So it's done. Good to see little birds everywhere now. There they go again. Awesome! Thank you.